你准备好了吗？
Turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a baby back, came with the doors, yeah, that's what Mercedes do. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for.
I'm really loving this color. Ooh.
Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. I got static in my city, who fucking with me? Pull up with this 30 and this chopper hold a 50. Man, I heard that nigga Mickey. That's the risk. Right, we spray his car, spray the window.
Like, what the heck is this? I don't even. I'm gonna have to always wear a hat with this.
She keeps something on my dick.
Because it just looks like a wig. It's a nice wig. Just not up here. If this is covered, you're good to go. If not,
I kicked her right out of the front door. I'm picky, yeah. And every time she go to call my phone, I'm busy, yeah. Hello. I heard it's some niggas that's on my head. I heard it's some niggas that's on my brain.
I'm so in love with it though. Like, just the color, the bounce, the curls. It's just nice. Everything but this right there. Yeah, everything but that. But yeah, let me know what y'all think down below. I don't have any more thoughts. I just wanted to unbox it with y'all real quick because I'm about to roll out. I was just hoping to get a new look in before I go. I might unbox one more, but this was the goal for today. Y'all let me know down below. I gotta rock this with a beanie and stuff during the winter because it's not going out the house just like this. Oh, no ma'am. No turkey, no ham. All right. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
Wake up beside you, my bitch. I got on that tissue, I leave it a G. I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with the doors, yeah, that's a Mercedes. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, I ain't fuck a bitch so long, I do it in a Honda Ghost. I had to count my money on the bottom. I just took that bitch shopping, fuck behind me, so